This is Kelvin once more. So I've been looking at this uh 50 index sell setup. I think from yesterday up to today, I've been on it trying to see. So I deposited. So let me see. Let me in the last week. Yeah. So if you, as you can see, I deposited. That is 2026. Um, January 18. Yeah, I deposited $14.99, basically like $15 into the account to take this trade. And these were the earlier trades that I've taken and closed um, so far. So far I've made like $16 on the $14 deposit. Um, and then today, this is the trades that I took today so far. But then I first got TP1 for of the trade. We got TP1. Then I closed the trades. But when I saw that price was trying to pull back up, so I just closed at TP1 and I was okay. But I saw price is breaking down to target going back to TP2, so it wasn't going to give me like a bigger pullback. So I quickly entered the trade again at the exactly at the TP1. It put me in a loss small, pushed back up, and then now dropped and breaking down. So my TP2 is down here. I want to see if it will touch, but for now I'm making about over $25 right now, which is very fun. So I also deposited another. This one was $13. This deposit was $13. I deposited $13 into this account. You can see this one was 2026 the same time that I deposited into the other account. So the deposit I made was $30, but I splitted it into both trading accounts. Okay, that's what I did. So I was able to close on 13 point $30 for this account, and at TP1 I closed the trade perfectly. I closed the trade on TP1. So the whole of yeah, so for this account is the balance was like $41 or something like that. And then I think I took a buy on USD JPY. I think I took a quick buy on USD JPY when the market opened, like made some $4 and then added to it, and it's $45. So basically what I'm trying to say is the $13.99 on that I put into this account, I took the trade and closed at TP1, and then the account is now $45. I mean, like, we have about 200% profit. So I was like, okay, if the $13 I could get like double of that, then it's okay. So I closed, right? But the trade is still playing, and then I decided to enter again on the other account, and that one is kind of making about $20 right now. So this is the way we do it. If you want to understand or analyze how we do it this way, I think that you can reach out, make a comment on this when you see it anywhere, this video, make a comment and then reach out, and then we can analyze the market together and see how to grow small accounts. So the insight here that I'm trying to bring out is that no matter how much your capital is, you can be able to grow it. Okay, you can be able to grow it. I'm not saying you will be able, it will be easy for you to grow, because so when you're trading small capital, it's easy for you to crash or blow everything, right? But then if you keep trying and keep trying, you blow, you try, you blow, you do it again, you blow, you do it again, it will get to a point where it's either you will adjust the how the risk you are taking on those small accounts, or you would now be very, very, very cautious about the kind of setup that you are taking so that you can wait for the best probable or possible setup before you even take an entry, right? So I started trading this sell from top here, right? From top here. So from the top here to this place was the TP one, right? From this area. Yeah, no, I think no. We started the sell from this area, this price here, this area. So from here to the this last bullish candles wick here was the TP one, and then now we are price is breaking these lows, which is going to make a new lower low, and then that is going to give us the TP2, right? So yeah, that's the way it works. That's the way we do it. That's the way I do it. So if you want to learn, join our team or join us. I mean, ask how, join us, and then we'll be happy to analyze the market with you and then also teach you the little that we know. God bless you all. So this has been a successful setup. I think the profit is reducing back to $24. So what I like to do in this situation, when the TP is not hit yet and it's like we are halfway through and the market is trying to give some kind of a pullback like that. So the market has all the chance to be able to pull back even back to the entry because this is the breakout that we are trading. So if we're only trading breakout, price can decide to fake the breakout. Okay, so now we broke down here and then we retested. Now price has broken down again. It can come all the way up and retest the entry again and drop, or just do some little pullbacks and continue dropping to wherever it wants to go. Or you can just do the fake breakout, now push all the way up, close above the first resistance here, retest it and just reverse like that. Okay, so all that can happen, right? All that can happen. So if in this scenario like this, if I see that I'm in profit, what I normally would do is to either close some percentage of the profit, right? Close some profit and then allow maybe one position to run to the full TP. Okay. So so we have like over half of the profit. Where this entry, I took this entry is not too perfect because this is in the middle of the trade. I don't like trading breakouts. I like taking the entry from where the move is going to happen, which is the top here. This is where is the 30 minutes? Yeah, so this was where I took the first entries that I closed. This was where I took those entries and I closed at this area, which was TP1. Okay, so I like to take my entries somewhere here before they do the breakout. So at the breakout here, I'm not too good with breakout trading because, like I said, price could just reject all the way up and then retest the entry again, shrinking all the profit. If you look at the daily time frame, we have a new daily candle that has just broken down. It can just reject all the way up and then retest before dropping back again down. Okay, so when it does that, you are losing all the profit back and then you cannot sustain the profit. So that's why I don't like normally trading the breakout. But like I said, the best thing to do in such scenario or this scenario is to close part of the profit or one or two of the trades and allow the rest to just run and see where it can take to, if it's going to get to the final TP or not, right? For the final TP, price is definitely going to get there, but whether it's going to push up to shrink this small profit before dropping back again, I think that's the issue I'm trying to contemplate with right now. But what I wanted to show is that it is possible to grow small account and it is possible to also get one good high probability setup that can help you grow that small account. I hope you guys understand. God bless you and thank you and happy new week. and see you at one side.